Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make hot chocolate bombs. For this recipe, you're going to need a geometric heart mold. You can get this off Amazon, some chocolate to melt down, some mini marshmallows, and also some hot chocolate. First, you're going to need to grab a bowl and put your chocolate inside the bowl. And I heat mine up for a minute. I stir and then put it back in the microwave for 30 seconds to get it smooth. So taking that same chocolate we just melted, I'm going to place 2 tablespoons in each heart, and then I'm going to use a popsicle stick to spread it all around the heart. You don't want any part of it to be left uncovered. So now that I covered all of the hearts, I'm going to place this in the freezer for about 5 minutes. So here's what they look like after 5 minutes in the freezer. I'm going to carefully and gently take them out of the mold, pushing the mold out so that the heart pops out. Be careful because they can also easily break. So the same thing I did with the chocolate, I'm going to do to these green candy melts so that I can use for sealing and decorating. Here I'm demonstrating how to make a pastry bag out of parchment paper, but you can also easily use a Ziploc bag. So now I'm going to take my hot chocolate and empty about a half a bag into each of the hearts. The hot chocolate mix already had marshmallows in it, but I like to place a lot of marshmallows on top of it because who doesn't like marshmallows? So now I'm going to take my pastry bag filled with the green chocolate and I'm going to draw a line on the outer edges of the heart so that I'm able to seal the hearts on top. I'm going to take some cupcake liners just for decoration and place the bombs inside of them so that I'm able to decorate them. So you're then going to take the same pastry bag with the green chocolate and I'm going to draw zigzags across them. I like how it looks, but you can draw whatever type of decoration you like. I popped them in the freezer for about a minute or two, and this is how they turned out. Now I'm going to take a measuring cup and measure out a cup or 8 ounces, and then I'm going to place this in the microwave for 60 seconds. Grab a large coffee cup and place your hot chocolate bomb in there, and then take your steaming milk and pour this over the heart. It will create a hole in it so that the hot chocolate seeps out. Grab a spoon and give it a quick stir, and then you'll see that the chocolate has fully melted. I hope everyone enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what videos you would like to see next.